Are you trying to unlock BitLocker Encrypted Drive? Then you can watch this short video tutorial, as we will show you how to do that in some simple steps. Now what you can do first is to open command prompt with admin rights, type in the following, then execute the following commands. Now if it runs successfully, you will get the message asking to enter the password to unlock this volume. So all you have to do is type in your BitLocker Drive encrypted password, then press enter. Now the password is invisible on the command prompt screen, so you have to make sure that the password you type is correct, or else you will need to type in the command again. Now another possible method is to use a recovery key. To do so, open command prompt as an admin, then type in the following, then press enter. Now you just have to take note to replace the letter X with the 48 characters of the recovery key. Like for an example, you can enter it like this. Once done, run the command by pressing enter. Now if you run the command successfully, you will get the message saying, "The password successfully unlocked volume X." So those are the ways on how to unblock BitLocker Encrypted Drive from the command prompt on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.